Hello, my name is Rachel Bixel, and I wanted to show you my website, Babbling About Baby. I've been a mom for about a year now. I have a feisty little daughter in Ember, and my life revolves around baby and baby products. So I wanted to build a website that would help moms that are expecting, moms that have children, or even individuals that want to buy gifts for baby showers. So here's my homepage. It quickly introduces what the website's about, shows some pictures of me and my family, and has a call to action right here to check out my blog. My blog is a big part of my website. It's broken up into two different categories. We have the life category. This is just where I've made posts about, you know, being a mom, things to expect as a mom. For example, teething, how hard that can be when your child starts to teeth. The second category is product reviews. This is where my website actually will be making money. This is where I have written reviews about products that I really have loved using as a mom, that really have been a lifesaver or have kept the stinky diapers at bay. And when people read my review, they can then just click on the image, and this will go straight to Amazon where they actually can buy the product that I'm reviewing. So it's a great way for viewers to buy what I talk about. Then my third page, I have an about page. This is quickly just introducing myself so I can gain the trust of viewers and so they can get to know me more. And then my last page is a contact page where they can make comments or if they just want to talk to me. Great tools that have helped me utilize my website to the fullest is the AdWords. I loved using AdWords. It's been really fun to see the success of having a campaign and then making ads. For example, here's one of my more successful ads that got a 413 clicks in the amount of times we had during the class. So that was really fun to see, and also to see like different keywords, which keywords were more successful than others. I really liked AdWords a lot. The second tool I used was Google Analytics. I love this tool. For example, I loved being able to see where my viewers, what page they're actually going to. For example, you can see here, the most had page I had was product reviews, which was my landing page from my ads, so that makes sense that it's the highest. It was also great to be able to see how many of my users, my viewers, actually come back to my website and become a returning visitor. For example, I had only a small amount of 2.3% of returning visitors, so it shows that I need to improve my website to make people want to come back to the website. So these are the tools I used, and that was my website.